forgotten halls, where ancient echoes softly call. The kingdom crumbles stone by stone, a land of ghosts now overgrown. The crown is fallen, lost in time, a broken throne left to decline. The wind it whispers tales untold, of shattered dreams and hearts grown cold. Through the mist a kingdom fades, once so bright now bound in shades. Whispers of a world unknown, where dreams and shadows are overgrown. This is the kingdom